Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 0x8015DBFE. We could not sign you in to Xbox Live on PC fix. It is usually happens because some missing or corrupted files. We can easily fix it. These two methods. Then before you begin, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead that first step, Xbox reset. So go to the your Windows search bar and type settings. Click the settings. Then go to that apps. Click on the installed apps. Then scroll down. Find Xbox. Go to the three dots. Then select advanced option. Then scroll down. Click on reset now button. Click once. If the app still is not working right, reset it. Once it click to reset. After come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. After that, move on the next step, Microsoft Store reset. So for this, go to the start menu, click on the Microsoft Store application. Once and open, then go to that library. Then go to search bar. Use to the search bar. Then type Xbox. Then click to open. Check if there is available update. Just click to update the Xbox. After that, come to back, reset Microsoft Store. So go to the Windows search bar and type settings. Then click on the apps. Then go to the installed apps. Then scroll down. Go to the system components. Click on the system components. Then click on the find Microsoft Store. Click on three dots. Then choose advanced option. Then scroll down. Click on the repair. Once you click to repair it, after that come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the Microsoft Store. Then sign up to re-log in the Microsoft account. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section, comment. I will reply. Whether this method working or not working, go to the comment section, comment. If you want more like this video, subscribe to comment. I give the video and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel.